With fear taking over the cryptocurrency market, we're starting to see some pretty strange articles being written, and it plays into that fear. Guys, the people that write these articles, they're intelligent. They understand what people are searching for right now. They understand what people are clicking on, and people are being driven by that fear. Now look at this article headline. It says, Quadrillion Shiba Inu coin loss is possible if the price goes lower. And yes, if the price goes to absolute zero, of course a quadrillion Shiba Inu coin would be in negative territory because nobody would be making money if SHIB was in an absolute zero. But we need to talk about that because Shiba Inu coin is not on its way to a zero. A quadrillion Shiba Inu coin are no longer in existence and in circulation, and there's a lot that needs to be addressed so that we don't worry, right? Let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. Now, we're going to be going over this article in the video, but I do want to say this. The fear, some of it is justified, right? Prices are lower, and anytime prices are moving lower, people become afraid. Shiba Inu coin is down to the bottom end of its major support level here, maintaining this trend line that has been intact since 2021. In 2021, guys, Shiba Inu coin hit an all-time high, and since then, it has hit lower highs on this descending trend line, and we are wedging down into this situation right here with just a couple of days or maybe a week or so left until this wedge comes to its end. Now, hopefully, the wedge comes to an end and moves higher, but a lot of people are misaligned with Shiba Inu coin. A lot of people are being led astray. And I'm not going to go over it again in a video today, but please go watch the video that I posted yesterday on Satoshi. Satoshi has lost he's lost his entire mind, okay? I don't get it. I don't understand what happened, and I don't understand how a person gets so, off the rails as is happening with the ecosystem team. But they have lost it. And if you continue to follow the ecosystem team, you will follow them to a quadrillion Shiba Inu coin loss. If you continue to follow the community, the only reason that Shiba Inu coin exists in the first place, we will see success. So let's go over this and let's remember, right? Shiba Inu coin is not controlled by one shadowy, psychotic figure. Shiba Inu coin is controlled by the SHIB army, the SHIB community, and it is a meme coin. Now, this article goes on to say that Shiba Inu coin is on the verge of a catastrophic collapse right now. And if the bearish trend persists, the token might deal investors a devastating blow, with losses possibly reaching quadrillions of tokens. Now, this is impossible because quadrillions of tokens do not exist. So I think that there's a little bit of an exaggeration here. And that needs to be understood. Because the wording of this perpetuates the fear. And that is exactly what mainstream media is doing right now, trying to make you afraid. And unfortunately, it is working. We entered a situation of extreme fear once again as the Fear and Greed Index fell to a level of 24. Guys, this is among the lowest that it has been in the last 2+ years. When Bitcoin was trading at $20,000, people were still more confident than they are right now, which does not make sense, right? If you think about 3 years ago, 3 years ago, when Shiba Inu coin was trading at $20,000, or Shiba Inu coin, Bitcoin was trading at $20,000 per coin. The administration that was currently in place at the time said that cryptocurrency is terrible. Major banks, 4 of them, I believe, across the globe, failed. They went bankrupt, right? And they blamed it a lot on cryptocurrency. So they said that we could never integrate cryptocurrency with the financial system that is in place, and we could never embrace cryptocurrency, and we could never let it grow. But people then were not as fearful as they are now. Now, we've got a president that is wanting to embrace the industry, that is wanting to grow the industry, that wants trillions of dollars in wealth created, but this is a terrible thing. This is something that they don't want you to do. This is something that they don't want you to take place in. This is something that they don't want to see your prosperity and your growth. They want it for themselves. So instead right now, the narrative is that the current administration is here to destroy the world. The current administration is here to ruin our economy. The current administration is here to spiral us out of control into utter defeat. And when you start to realize how stupid that sounds, some of the fear subsides. Now, I get it. The price action is still very hard to overcome, and especially if you're brand new to the game, it is not easy to do. It's not easy to buy when prices are low. It sounds right. Buy low, sell high. But it's not easy to do. So you do have to make an active decision every day to get over that. And when you read articles like this, saying that investors are going to suffer a devastating blow with losses possibly reaching quadrillions, like, it makes it even worse. So that's why you need to be as educated and as informed as possible. More than 836 trillion SHIB, or 85% of the total supply, are currently out of the money. Now, of course, this does include the money that Vitalik burned. These do include the burn tokens. I hope you guys understand that, because there's only 500 trillion in circulation. Meaning that their holders are sitting on losses at the current price of 1,300 points per coin. And actually, we're a little lower than that right now. We're at 1,250 points per coin. It says, according to the most recent on-chain data, there's a huge risk that a further decline in price will lock in enormous unrealized losses that would be real setback for the larger SHIB community. We've been here before. If you look at Shiba Inu coin over the last couple of years, guys, Shiba Inu coin spent the majority of 2023 down below 1,000 points per coin, reaching 500 points per coin. We survived that, and Shiba Inu coin ripped higher very quickly, rallying to that 4,500 point per coin mark, a near 10x increase from the lows that we hit. Sure, we've got a lot going on right now, and the mainstream media is trying to control the narrative, but this is not something the Shiba Inu coin community has not been through before. We know how to handle this, and no, quadrillions of Shiba Inu coin don't exist, and therefore they would not be at a loss. Now, we do look at the overall chart, and the chart is looking pretty bearish right now, but things can turn around, right? It says the only remedy for the tense situation will be a strong bullish reversal supported by volume, which is not happening right now. Without it, there's a very real chance of a quadrillion token loss event, which could short-term ruin SHIB's recovery prospects. Guys, there's no chance of a quadrillion token loss event unless Shiba Inu coin goes to a $0 market cap. There's not even a quadrillion tokens in circulation anymore. So understand that these articles are written to make you fearful, to drive the price lower, and allow the whales and institutions to load up as much as possible, because when the rally happens, they benefit, and those that sell lose out. Now, I am accumulating. It is very hard, but I am ignoring the fear. I am accumulating out on the KSEX centralized exchange, and you guys can trade here on up to 100x leverage with 0% maker and 0% taker fees. I am holding on Best Wallet. I believe that if you were going to hold cryptocurrency, you need to make sure that you own your keys. You need to make sure that you own it on the blockchain and that you are in custody of it. Best Wallet allows you to do that. It is a free download. You get a link for it down in the description. It's going to pull you up to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, depending on what phone you have. These guys are safe, secure, in direct competition with major wallets like Trust Wallet, but they actually have additional features, which in my opinion, make them even better than Trust Wallet. So make sure to check it out down in the comments, down in the description, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.